mile in fog patches and showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.
Stars shining bright above me. Night breezes seem to whisper that you. Sycamore tree, dream a little dreamer.
Night, sensational double thrill, stock car spectacular at 7:30 at Norwood.
Dream a little dream of me.
Oh, 1 mile in fog patches and showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.
Stars shining bright above me. Night breezes seem to whisper.
Yo, what's good? Kieran Khan Yoyo here. A couple things before this video ends. First of all, I'm trying a new format out for my tutorials, which will hopefully make them easier to post, as I sort of found the old tutorials like really demotivating to make. I don't know why, but hopefully these ones are a bit easier to digest and also teach you guys some really cool tech. And the other thing is, if you want to support the channel, head on over to either Yoyo Village and use code Kieran10 at checkout, and that'll give you 10% off. Or if you just want to do it through YouTube, you can, hit subscribe, like, and it really helps out if you hit the hype button, because this is basically just a feature for smaller YouTube creators and it pushes the content out more. So yeah, thank you. Go subscribe to Kieran Khan as well. New vlogs soon, hopefully. And yeah, peace.